Okay, so we're going to kick off this step-by-step lesson, assuming that you've located the Pro software, which can be found on the navigation bar to the left of the members area. First off, let's mine a brand new domain. Choose a starting list. I take it you'll be spending a lot of time experimenting, but for this lesson I will choose verbs. Now feel free to pause the video if you're trying to locate the first select button there. Feel free to pause the video at any time that you feel you need to get caught up. So I'm going to select verbs from that first choice. Now as I select that list, a pop-up will appear. And the reason I programmed it like that is that we could all see what we're getting into and that the certain words will be searched on GoDaddy. Next, I'll select an ending word. Once I search using both lists, the Domainer Elite Pro software will combine the two words to find awesome available domains. Okay, so after I selected both my starting and ending words, I will click on the Submit button and I'll start my search. It may take the system a couple seconds, sometimes as long as a minute depending on the extent of the list. Some lists are bigger than others, but here we go. As you can see below, right away I see a domain that is really actually pretty good. Pushquick.com. Hey, if you've ever searched GoDaddy for cool two-syllable domains before, it's pretty difficult to find one, right? Well, this was pretty easy, and heck, I'm not even going to wait around, I'm grabbing it. If I was unsure about it, I might have wanted to add it to my own saved list, but geez, this is so good I might even want to try to put it up for auction on Flippa for the big bucks. So, go ahead and register the domain. I'm going to click on the Register button all the way to the right next to the domain. After I do that, and I click on the Register button, now all of a sudden I'm at GoDaddy, and the domain is selected. I'm going to buy it. Alright, so let's skip ahead. I went through all of the different pages through GoDaddy, the checkout process, but of course I'm not going to all include that. It might end up being, information overload or something. But now I'm going to click on Manage Domains because I want to list my pushquick.com domain on GoDaddy Premium listings. Now I'm going to click on the Manage Domains because I want to list Pushquick domain on GoDaddy Premium listings. So it's going to work as the marketplace is going to work as a promotional tool to promote my GoDaddy Premium listing. Okay? So I do a search for pushquick.com in my domain manager, and there it is. So I click on the domain, and then I select Buy and Sell, and then Add to Premium Listings. Okay, so now I'm adding my domain to GoDaddy Premium Listings, and I'm going to price it at, let's say, $300. Well, I mean, look, it's a great domain. Usually I would say only price domains this high if they are really this good. If your domain is something like dogtreatsonline.org, I don't know, $50 maybe. If it's not a .com and it has that many words, it's really going to bring the value down. Heck, I probably wouldn't even buy dogtreatsonline.org, but that's just me. So anyhow, here we are. Add domain to premium listings, and I'm going to put 300 right there. You don't put 300.00, you just put 300 because it's already done the .00. And then I'm going to read and agree to the terms and conditions below, all of that, this and that, and I'm going to click on Save. And then it's going to say, all right, place an order. What? Place an order? I got to place an order? Yes, but it's only for $0.00. It's just so that it's going to take a little bit of out of your final sale. Okay, so now that our domain is added to GoDaddy Premium Listings, it will show up with the price tag of $300 when people search that domain. So look, I mean, honestly, you've seen all of my screenshots. I sell tons of GoDaddy Premiums. And did it even before Domainer Elite Pro, even before this system. See, I'd usually register the domain, I'd list it on premiums, and then I'd tell everyone about the domain in a YouTube video I made. That was one of my techniques I had before I created this system. Well, now we can list that premium on the Domainer Elite Pro marketplace where all the other users inside will see it. So to access the Domainer Elite Pro marketplace, click on the Marketplace button on the left-hand corner in the navigation. Here's a screenshot. In the Marketplace, there are a few different options. it's all very simple but incredibly powerful and a great premium promotional engine. You'll see Buy, Sell, My Listings, and My Profile. When you select Buy, you will see tons of marketplace listings done by other users. If you see something really good, you might want to snatch one up. Remember, the marketplace isn't the only place to sell. You can also sell on Flippa or Sedo as well, because our software really finds great domains. Heck, they really are worth $50, $100 right off the bat, at least, right? So in our little community here, we want to give everybody a good bargain. And so we ensure that domains continue to sell and people continue to buy, and everything's really healthy. This is our own little ecosystem here where we treat each other really good, give each other great deals, and then outside of the marketplace, you can then get auctions going and sell domains for a lot more. So first, click on My Profile and create a profile. I would use a picture and also include some information, who you are, etc. Here is my profile. It's simple, but it explains who I am and that I'm a real person. It also shows my listings. Okay, so you guessed it. I'm now going to sell pushquick.com. So I click on Sell Domains. After I select Sell, this is what the listing creation looks like. I type in the name of my domain, I select Premium, and then the price. Listing URL is wherever the domain sale is going to occur, GoDaddy, Sedo, Flippa, etc. So in this case, I'm selling a GoDaddy Premium. I'm going to select Premium Domains, GoDaddy, etc. Boom! I've listed my domain for sale. So if I want to see my listing, I'm going to click on Buy Domains. And there it is, right down there. You see it? Now let's watch it sell. So that was your first basics instructional, and I hope I did a good job. Please let me know in the webinars if I did, and good luck selling. Stay tuned for more videos.